Microsoft 365 Copilot now includes powerful agents for research, data analysis, workflows, lists, and even app building. But most small businesses are using almost none of them. So today, I'm ranking 5 Copilot agents by one practical question. Which one saves you the most time every week? Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Copilot agents are not just chat upgrades. They are specialized AI workers that can research, analyze data, automate tasks, and work with your business information. I'm ranking 5 of them by estimated hours saved per week for a typical small business workflow. At number 5, App Builder. Quick disclaimer, this is a frontier feature, so your admin needs to enable it first. But here's why it makes the list. You describe what you need in plain English. For example, I'm using Build a Task Tracker as my demo prompt. Copilot can take that description and help generate a lightweight working app. No Power Apps experience. No developer required. It is still early, but this could become one of the most useful Copilot tools for small teams. Keep it on your radar. How about build me a simple client onboarding form that captures name, company, industry, and project type? Number 4, SharePoint List Agent. This is useful when your team already tracks clients, projects, tickets, or requests inside SharePoint lists, instead of digging through SharePoint to find or update a record. You can ask Copilot in plain English. For example, show me all open projects in the finance sector. It turns your SharePoint list into a conversational database. Less tab switching, less manual searching, less time wasted on small updates. How about show me all clients in the biotech sector with an open status? Number 3, Workflows. This is the no-code automation agent. You describe a repeatable task in plain English, and Copilot helps create the automation. For example, every Monday morning, summarize last week's completed planner tasks and send a digest to my team in Teams. That kind of task usually takes manual checking, copying, summarizing, and sending. Workflows can help turn that into an automated process. Important note: this is also a frontier feature, so your IT admin may need to enable it first. Number 2, Analyst. Analyze this sales data and identify the top 3 trends by revenue and region over the last 90 days. I am dropping a sample spreadsheet or CSV directly into Copilot chat and ask questions about the data. This is where Analyst becomes powerful. It can help identify trends, outliers, patterns, and possible explanations using a dedicated reasoning approach. So instead of spending time building pivot tables, formulas, or manual reports, why? You can ask, what are the top revenue trends by region? For small business owners and busy teams, this can save real time on reporting and decision-making. This used to require someone comfortable with Excel formulas, pivot tables, or data analysis. Now Copilot can help you get there faster. And number 1, Researcher. This is the agent I would start with first. Researcher does more than search the web. It can combine web research with your Microsoft 365 work context, like files, emails, meetings, and chats that you have permission to access. Research the top compliance risks for healthcare SMBs in 2026 and cross-reference with our internal policy documents. That permission-based internal context is what separates it from a regular web research tool. For client prep, market research, competitive research, policy review, or internal audits, this can save serious time. Instead of starting from zero, Researcher can pull together the background, summarize the key points, and cite where the information came from. Pro tip: pair Researcher with Copilot notebooks. Researcher helps you gather the information. Notebooks help you keep that information organized, reusable, and searchable. If you want to see Copilot notebooks working together on a real business use case, I have a full video on that. I'll link it in description. That is where these 2 tools become especially useful for small teams. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Thanks for watching.